Welcome to MS Craftshop. In my previous video, I guided you step by step through creating a heart-shaped mini photo album with the Roses Academy digital paper collection. The tutorial covered how to make and decorate the album pages, as well as a simple binding method using ring binders. I also demonstrated how to organize your album pages, drawing inspiration from my earlier project. For a closer look at that album, check out the link to the full presentation in the video description. Today, I'm excited to showcase a fully decorated album made using the craft paper base from our last tutorial. While the black album focused on simple layout ideas, this one incorporates flaps, pockets, belly bands, and other original solutions. You will find that this digital paper collection offers a much wider range of creative possibilities for your own album designs. In contrast to the black album, which featured 6 pages excluding covers, each tailored for a single 9 by 13 cm photo, the craft album is designed with 5 pages, each dedicated to showcasing larger 10 by 15 cm photos. As mentioned in the previous tutorial, you can easily customize the number of pages to fit your vision. Additionally, every page is adorned with extra paper embellishment raised on 3D foam tape from the collection, as well as string, beads, and metal charms. I hope you feel inspired by the many creative possibilities of the Roses Academy digital paper collection, and I'm wondering which album appeals to you more. Let me know your favorite in the comments, share your thoughts, and see you soon!